In today's video, I'm going to show you how to drive repeat sales with Shopify and Mailchimp. So first inside your Mailchimp dashboard, go to integrations and make sure that you first integrate your Shopify store with Mailchimp so that customer and purchase data sync automatically. Next is start creating segment for your customers. You can do that by heading over to Audience in the left panel and click on Segments. And here you can actually start creating a segment like for recent buyers or customers who haven't purchased in a while or for your repeat customers. The next is set up automated emails, and you can do that by heading over to automations. Here you can set up post purchase thank you emails, product recommendations, or restock reminders. You can basically do it all here. Make sure that you encourage repeat purchases with exclusive discounts, loyalty rewards, or limited time offers. By combining Shopify sales data with MailChimp automation, you can turn one time buyers into repeat customers. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!